Today, I am going to help you figure out your dissertation topic in 5 minutes or less. I have helped so many clients go from confusion to a clear topic in just one session. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. A dissertation topic includes three things. Number one, a subpopulation. Number two, a problem. And number three, an environment. Let's go with subpopulation. A subpopulation is just a niche group of a larger population. It could look something like first generation college students. It could be new teachers in mathematics. It can be newly executive leaders inside of a nonprofit organization. We just need to know a very narrow niche of a larger population. Now that you know who you're talking to, now you want to know what is the problem that they are experiencing. Is it that they're having trouble completing their degree? Is it that they're having trouble staying in teaching for longer than 5 years? Is it that they don't have enough resources to effectively do their job? Before I move on to my next tip, I want to invite you to the Qual 101 workshop. It is a workshop that I am hosting on Sunday, September 25th. I am going to be breaking down all of the things related to qualitative research and exactly what you need to put inside of your chapter 3 methods chapter. If that is of interest of you, go ahead and click the link in the description box and let's move on to tip number 3. Number 3. What is the environment where the subpopulation is experiencing the problem? That could be a college or university. That can be a school in the Northeast region of the country. That could be nonprofits in the Southeast region that focus on sexual violence. You can figure out what your topic is. Example number 1. First generation college students are having trouble completing their degree, which means they're not graduating. And this is happening at predominantly white institutions in the Northeast region of the United States. I am very clear on who you're talking about, what they're experiencing, and what the focus of your research is going to be. Another example could be first year teachers. They don't make it to year 5. We wonder, why is that? Why are there such low attrition rates? The more narrow you allow yourself to be, the more clear you allow yourself to be, the more that your topic will be approved by your advisor and your committee. Try these 3 things out, put it down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.